Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I forgot something. Welcome to my year number 20 Toyota Tundra Limited. I was blessed enough to be able to upgrade to this the other day. Pretty nice truck. Probably the nicest I've ever had, and I'm blessed to be able to have it. But if we look right down here, you'll see there's nothing on the exhaust right here. It is bare metal. But we're going to make a change on that. So I went to Toyota Parts, and they have a whole website just full of stuff that you can do for your truck, car, or whatever. And I ordered a Toyota branded chrome exhaust tip. Very simple, came here in 2 days. Bolt on, even I can do it. It falls apart and everything. So it comes wrapped in plastic. It's got a 15 millimeter socket and got a couple of brackets. So we're going to put the camera down here and I'm going to put it on real quick and make a quick video, kind of dress up the truck a little bit. We'll be right back. Alright, turn this one a little bit. Okay, hopefully you can hear me. I'm on the GoPro. So this comes with some little adapters, and I suppose that if you have a smaller exhaust pipe, yeah, it doesn't come with instructions, but hopefully I can get it. So I put me down some cardboard. And to where the muffler flares out, I'm going to stop it right there. We'll make sure the Toyota logo is up here, like such. I'm just going to tighten it on there. And all it is a clamp. You know, a lot of people have went to muffler shops to get this done and paid a tremendous amount of money. And thankfully this is something I can do myself and not, I've already spent a fortune on the truck, so. Stay on there. And that's all you have to do. Just get it till you grunt one good time. The Toyota logo is straight up and down. I think it's, wow, I think it's going to dress it up. Probably won't make any difference on the noise. Let's see if it makes any difference on the noise. I don't think it made any difference on the noise, but it still sounds good. got the 5.7 V8. But as you can see, it does dress up the truck. And I can always move it in. I can always move it in a little bit more. I think I see now. If you want to push it on the end of the truck, you use the little inserts. Let me try it. I'll be right back. Okay, that made a difference there. I actually put it in. Get you down there so you can see it. I put it in further. Still dresses it up. But that looks pretty good down there. Not hanging out so much. And it's good and tight. That'll work. Because if you look at my wife's 4Runner, and we did something stupid, we went and got 2 vehicles. Hers is in there pretty good too. So she got a black one, I got a chrome one. But anyway, I hope to make some videos on this truck. It's got Apple CarPlay, and I know a lot of people want to know about Apple CarPlay, and I've learned a whole lot of stuff. So we'll try to do that. So that's the video for today. Shows you anybody can put on these attachments on a vehicle, and it's pretty easy. Be a parts list in the bottom. Dresses up the Tundra a little bit. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the little bell to be notified. Just a few minutes ago I was looking, we're at 299, almost 300 subscribers, not until death, and I appreciate everybody. And I think that'll be it. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and eat some supper after I clean my mess up and edit this video. Anyway, y'all have a great evening, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.